Hey everyone in my Algebra 2 live class. How are you guys doing? This is a video to help you get started with the week 3 Desmos activity. So here we're getting into systems of linear equations. And I like this one because it's got cookies, and I love cookies. But then we also get to use some linear equations to think about different situations and how many calories and nutrition. And it's just a great tool to use math in a way that makes sense. All right, so here we go. We got 2 packs of cookies, right? One pack contains, if you will, single stuffed Oreo cookies, little sandwich cookies, and the other one looks like thicker frosting. So how are these 2 packs different? Well, we got thick frosting ones, but there's only 4 cookies. Here we got thin frosting ones, and we are able to fit in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cookies. So a whole lot more cookies, but less frosting. But it's going to get you into thinking about cookies, kind of the outer layer, inner layer, and all that good stuff. So let's think about this. If we have single cream or double cream, which pack do you think contains more calories? Well, we don't have any numbers to go on right now, but you can pick which one you think of, and it would depend on if you feel like, are there more calories in frosting or are there more calories in the actual cookie part? So you can make your argument, you can think through it. We'll get to some more information later on. But just keep in mind here, again, we have 4 cookies with double frosting. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cookies, but with less frosting, right? All right, let's start to get even more mathematical with this. So now we're given some calorie information. For single cream cookies, with our 6 cookies, there are 320 calories altogether if we ate all those 6 cookies. For our double cream cookies, there are 280 calories if we ate all 4 of these. We need to use some math, create a mathematical argument, and think, well, how many calories should the triple cream pack contain? Well, you could kind of make an estimate. So you could say, well, if I keep kind of following the pattern, maybe it's linear, right? 320, 280. If I subtract 40, maybe there's only 240 calories. And that would kind of make sense. But let's see if we can use a system of equations and get a little bit more specific with it. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 kind of sandwich cookie parts. 12 cookies. Let's just talk 12 cookies. Here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cookies. And here we've only got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cookies. But besides cookie, we also have kind of the stuffing part, right? So how could I mathematicize stuffing? Well, in the first one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stuffings, right? But here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 stuffings, but there are 4 double stuffings. So in some way we could say 4 times 2, because there's twice as much stuffing in that one. And here we could say 1, 2, 3 stuffings, but they're triple stuffings. So there's sort of, in a way, 9 stuffings. And what is it that we don't know? Well, how many calories are in one cookie? Let's call that X. And how many stuffings are in, or how many calories are in one stuffing? Let's call that Y. And if we could figure out X and Y, then we could easily do it. So we can put together some linear systems of equations. How about that? You guys love that, right? Starting with my single cream. We have 12 cookies at X calories plus 6 stuffings at y calories is going to be 320 calories if I eat all that, right? If I eat all the 12 cookie layers and if I eat all the 6 single stuffings, that's a total of 320 calories. But I'm also given 8 cookies, 8x, plus double stuff, so 8 stuffings, or 4 double stuffs, but 8 stuffings of y is 280 calories. And look at that, there is my linear system of equations. We can then solve it out. We can use our Desmos calculator. We can do all sorts of different stuff. I would probably be inclined to do the addition method in this one. If I multiply the bottom by 1.5, we get 12x plus 6y equals 320. And on the bottom, if I multiply 8 times 1.5, that would give me 12x plus 12y equals 1.5, so 140 would be 420. And then I can subtract my two equations to see 6 minus 12 is negative 6y equals 320 minus 4, negative 100. And so y equals a negative 100 divided by negative 6, which is, it's going to be a calculator, 100 divided by 6, 16 and 2/3 calories per, and that's my y value, so that's my stuffing. But there you go, we just figured out y, and then we can use that to help kind of figure out other stuff. I'll let you continue on to play around with this. Hopefully it gives you a good start in thinking about this situation, thinking about how we can represent this problem with a linear system. Let me know if you have any questions, and have fun playing around with cookies and calories.